Howdy folks, this is SL with SL's Prepping and Survival. A news article today on the local ABC 13 website, the local channel 13, local ABC channel. As you can see, it's 34 degrees here locally. That's pretty cold, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is the headline here: driver stranded in Caney Creek for hours after a car crash in Montgomery County. That's county north of where I live. Let's go down to the article. I'll read it to you, but it's right there. Okay. A driver who crashed into a creek spent hours alone in the cold water until he was rescued. State troopers believe the driver veered off the road into Caney Creek in north Montgomery County. He crawled out of the car and spent anywhere from 3 to 8 hours floating in the water. It wasn't until Sunday morning, when another driver spotted him and called for help, that he was rescued. He went to the hospital with hypothermia and minor injuries. Okay. As I say, this is the reason for this video, and that is that you should always have your pocket survival kit or personal survival kit with you, and hopefully in one of your pockets. I personally have two different ones, and I have videos on both of them. So in the description box below, I will post a link to this article plus both of my survival kits. And always have your survival gear with you, hopefully in your pocket. Alright, this is SL with SL's Prepping and Survival. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want more, please click the subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you liked it, and leave a comment. I like comments. And I will answer back. Alright. Happy New Year.